Silicon Consultant LLC USA is the first choice of AEC clients in the U.S. for CAD outsourcing services, specializing in the architecture, engineering, and construction sector across the United States. Precision, efficiency, and innovation are at the core of everything we do. Our experienced team excels in transforming design concepts into accurate, high-quality deliverables. We offer comprehensive CAD drawing and drafting solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. With a streamlined workflow, we ensure seamless collaboration and secure data management. Every project is approached with a commitment to precision, clarity, and efficiency. Our thorough quality assurance process guarantees that your projects maintain the highest standards of accuracy and reliability, ensuring your peace of mind. Partnering with Silicon Consultant LLC means optimizing resources and accelerating project timelines. Outsource with confidence and advance your CAD drawing and drafting initiatives with our trusted expertise. Choose Silicon Consultant LLC for your next AEC project and experience the difference in quality and service.